Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another Makeup Monday video, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So if you're new here, every Monday, me and some lovely ladies on Instagram, we do a collab called #MakeupMonday, and we do different themes. This week's theme was glitter and stars, so I decided to do this twist on like a St. Patrick's Day theme with the rainbow and stars. Hope y'all do enjoy it. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step how I created this look and give you show you the product so you know what to get, and they will also be linked down below. I will link the ladies that's in this collab, so please go check out their Instagram and show us love. Again, this is an Instagram collab, so please go check out my Instagram, and please check out the products I link down below if you want to get it for yourself. And if you wanted to shop through my affiliate links, I do have an affiliate link section. So continue watching to see how I created this look, and hopefully you do enjoy it. If you want to be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel, please leave the emoji a star, a rainbow, or the glitter emoji to be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. So please do share that. And if you want to see what shout in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channels, check out such shows of love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So again, use the unicorns and leave that emoji. And if you don't want to leave the emoji, just say you watched them full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So here is the final look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, how you think I did. I think this turned out really cute looking with the shooting stars, their rainbow behind it. I think it's really cute, but I'd love to know your thoughts. Also, let me know if you enjoy seeing Makeup Monday each week. I'd love to know that as well. And lastly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Unicorn Family. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.